If there's one day that can make a grown man feel like a kid on Christmas morning, that day would be New Bike Day! Now, if you've been following this channel for a while, you're gonna say, Greg, the 990 Beast is not a new bike. You've had that for a while, and you would be correct. But I'm sort of getting tired of having so much power, being able to do wheelies on command, listening to the sweet sounds of dual acro exhaust, having these Motos tires for so much traction, and riding the best adventure bike ever created, sort of getting bored with it. So I got me a new beast. It's right off camera. Let me go grab it right quick. Hold on. And here she is, the Hitway BK6, all beast right here. Let me reset this camera. We'll get into the details of this bad boy. Now you're probably asking yourself, why is Greg, the bearded grump, a professional motorcycle YouTuber, reviewing an electric bicycle? Well, my answer to that would be, I do a lot of RV camping with my wife, so I figured it'd be pretty fun to ride around the campground. That's pretty much it. Hitway reached out to me, said, hey, you want to review a BK6? I said, sure. So they did send me this bike for free. They didn't pay me anything, but I'm gonna give y'all my honest opinion on it. Now, for your motorcycle guys, it's just diehard motorcycle guys and don't ride bicycles, it's probably ain't gonna be no use to you. But if you do camp out of your car, or you travel trailer camp, or you RV camp, then hey, you might be interested in it. But what this is a Hitway BK6 electric bicycle, like I said. It's got 3 power modes on it, and it does have pedal assist as well. Now, I'm not gonna give you a bunch of technical information because I really don't know it. I will drop a link in the description, and you can read all that technical information to your heart's desire. But it's got 20-inch wheels with fat tires, which I did like. It's got front suspension, which work okay. I mean, it don't do much, but hey, you ain't gonna be off-roading this thing, even though I have. It does got a ton of torque, and they say the range on battery power is 20 miles to 60 miles. I tested it with absolutely no pedaling, and on a full charge, I got 20 miles out of it. Right at 20 miles, maybe slightly more, slightly less, but right at 20 miles. They say the battery takes 6 hours to charge, and I didn't quite measure that, but I would say that's pretty accurate. It's pretty simple to get to the battery. You can just lift the seat up, take the battery right out, charge it. So you can actually take the battery out, so if anybody's tried to steal it, they would have to dispel it. They wouldn't have the electric ability. Like I said, it's got 3 power modes, 1, 2, and 3. 1 is really weak on the throttle. It's mostly for pedal assist. Once you get to a hill and you start pedaling, the electric motor will kick in for you and just help you up that hill. It won't do much on flat ground. Level 2, it's about the same pedal assist, but you actually can use the throttle, and it might get up to 10, 12 miles an hour. Now level 3, this bike will run about 20 miles an hour just with throttle alone. That's not with you pedaling it. And it is a 7-speed bike, so it does got gears in the rear. So you can pedal it all you want. So if you was pedaling and using the power, that's where you probably could get 60 miles out of it. But it's just too much fun to use it with all electric throttle, to be honest with you. Because like I said, it does got a lot of torque. And if you've seen that opening clip, when I did a wheelie coming out of it, it actually looped out. I've done that once on concrete as well, or on pavement, and skint the paint off the back fender. So I'd say it's pretty tough. It's holding up to my punishment, which, as some of y'all know, can be pretty extreme sometimes. That's pretty much it for that part. Like I said, you can read all the specs, get all the technical specs. But I tested this thing against 3 electric bikes that my parents own. It's way faster than anything they got. It leaves them from the takeoff, and it actually has about 5 to 6 mile an hour top end more speed than those bikes do too. Like I said, you got a gear selector, and you actually got a little bale. You can riding around the campground chilling. But it is one good thing about this bike. It is a foldable bike. I can't show you that over here, but it's got just a little latch. Pretty simple to use. Like I said, when you look up in that link, you'll see everything. Just flip that latch right there. This bike will fold over right here, and you flip this latch, pull it over, and the handlebars, if I can do it with one hand there, the handlebars will break down. The pedals fold up too, but you see, it all fold up to a pretty compact deal there. Pretty simple. You just clip it back in, slide that back up. I mean, it don't take long to assemble it back the way it was, just like that. The handlebars are adjustable, easy with a clip there, and the seat as well. Quick connect, go up and down the seat. My wife has actually been riding this bike probably more than I have, and she really enjoys it. Not because it's electric, well, probably because it's electric and you can pedal it so you can get exercise, but then when you got a big hill, you got that assist. Something like going around Cades Cove or some big campground, or if you're going to take it somewhere like on vacation, you could ride it to town if you're camping. And that's what we basically going to do. And I'm probably going to purchase another one at some point because I like it too, but my wife has took it over. It does got this back seat thing back here. We have rode two up on it. She has rode me around, and it will actually pull both of us. Which is pretty good because I weigh right at 180 pounds sitting on this back area right here. So just gives you some of idea what it can do. Digital readout tells you your battery power, your power selection, all that stuff is right up here. It's a pretty good bike. Pretty expensive in a way, but all electric bikes are expensive. I think this thing's around, I think you can find them anywhere from $4.99 to $6.99 depending on where you look, and they make 7 or 8 different models. I just like this one the best because 20-inch wheels, fat tires, and it's got a headlight. Pretty cool bike. But no, I'm not getting rid of that 990 beast. I love that bike. This was all just a joke, but doing a review in the best way I know how to do an electric bicycle review on a motorcycle channel. So, but that's pretty much it. Hey, if y'all want this thing, buy it from that link. It's an Amazon affiliate link. I would greatly appreciate it. It helps me a little bit. If you don't buy the bike, buy some other stuff from the affiliate link. Just click on that link. Anything you buy helps support the channel, helps keep me going on these trips and buying parts when this KTM needs them, as y'all know. So thank you to Hitway for sending me this bike. Thank you to each and every one of y'all for watching. Thank you for all the support, all the comments, likes. I greatly appreciate all y'all that stuck around and to continue to come back. And all the new subscribers, appreciate y'all as well. But if you hadn't already, hammer the shit out of that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be alerted when new content comes out. We'll see y'all in the next one. And hey, by the way, if you're not riding Hitway, then stay out of the way. We're getting poured down rain on. Didn't have time to put rain gear on or nothing. Good thing it's getting close. No, we were striking out on finding campsites like I was telling y'all when we was riding, but they got one over here. But look how much a single standard campsite with nothing, $30. They got one over there, but I don't think we're gonna pay that. So the plan is to hide out right here until the rain goes away because it's pretty dark right there. And see what else we can do. We might end up having to ride home, who knows. We'll figure it out though.